subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Honor launched its new mid-range 5G phone in India called Honor 90, with quiet, unique rear panel design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor 90 features a tall 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1600 nits of peak brightness support. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, paired with Adreno 644 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 256 or 512 GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Honor 90 sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 200-megapixel main camera with f1.9 aperture, along with the 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with 100-degree field of view support, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 13 based on macOS 7.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 66 watts super fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes VC heat dissipation system that helps to maintain phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.9 by 74.1 by 7.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 183 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor 90 has been priced in India for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 37,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 39,999 Indian rupees, and it will be available at a discount price under early bird sale as follows for a limited period of time. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from September 18th, in diamond silver, peacock blue, midnight black, and emerald green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor 90 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.